Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine, and this video is going to be a little different. I normally like to do my inserts when I show them to you pretty early on in the week, and this one they're going to be on my website. So if you guys want to see them calmly and see what those coupons look like, or maybe read the fine print, they're going to be available in my website, excitedforcoupons.com. So today we're going to get started and go over two answers that are expected already for the first Sunday of June. That's June 7th, and we're expecting two inserts. On this video, what I like that I was able to get a region. Remember that they vary by region. A lot of the times we get different coupons depending on your area. So this one was provided by Bargains F&J from Instagram. So I'm going to provide her information or the Instagram account below. That way you could go ahead and check it out if you're interested to purchasing. That's how I was able to get these pictures so early on in the week. But I also have a list of details of the products expected, and you will see that the list will vary. That's going to be also provided on this video and on my website. And you will see there's changes there because that's a different region. So we never know which one we really gonna get until we get those papers on Sunday. But it's good to see a preview since I'm getting ready to prepare the CVS best deals, and this is very helpful. That way we have an idea what's coming. So on the front cover, you'll see we're expecting two, RetailMeNot and SmartSource. And RetailMeNot, as you see in the front cover, we have Persil. The bad thing is that it's a limit of one. Those coupons are a limit of one, but I like that the value is $2. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start looking inside the insert. And if you guys want to see or get the insert schedule for 2020, you could just go ahead and click there, and you could go and you will be able to print it and keep that in your binder. That way you have an idea what's coming on each Sunday. So here's what the front cover looks like. Now here is a much more zoomed in kind of picture right next to it. I was able to provide some of those pictures thanks to Bargains F&J. So the first cover is Persil, and like I mentioned, it does say a limit of one per shopping trip. So that's a bad thing because there's some great deals coming for Persil at CVS I already see, and this one expires on the 21st. So the second page we have for the RetailMeNot, we're starting on the RetailMeNot book. We have a dial on the top, and then we have right guard on the bottom of that page. Here's a very close-up coupon picture of that, and it does say dial or dial for men body wash 12 ounce or larger, and the value is $1 off one, which is pretty good. And then right underneath, we're able to see more close-up those other two coupons for right guard. We have the buy one get one free, and it says any right guard extreme defense or dried idea items. And then on the other coupon is $1 off one right guard sport item. So let's go ahead with the next page. I am loving this page. I was able to do this deal this week, but I didn't have any manufacturer coupons, but I'm glad they're back. This is for Listerine. Listerine for mouthwash is going to be $1, and for the Ready Tabs is $1 as well. And these expire on July 1st. So I'm excited for that because we just have to keep our eyes out in case there's any other deals coming. And as you know, there is a gift card, a virtual gift card just for buying one Listerine, but it has to be the 1 liter. You could go ahead and check out my video for my haul, which I explain a little bit more about that. But then right on top, I'm also excited for the Shea Moisture. I really love these coupons. This could be pricey, but these coupons really do help. And there's a deal coming up, guys. I am excited for this. And there's two different coupons. There is one for, let me see if I was able to get it more zoomed in, and here it is. For Shea Moisture, the face care product is deducting 6 off 2. And then we have the Shea Moisture products, which it does include hair care, but it does say in fine print excludes single-use packets or men's moisturizers and facial cleansers, or the sheet mask and trial and travel size. But I am loving 6 off 2. So if you guys need this will be the best day to get them. This Sunday there is a deal coming up for CVS, and as you see, they do expire on the 21st. Excited for those coupons. Next, we're moving on to another page, and this page is showing probiotics. And this says these coupons will last 3 weeks only. One is for $1 off one Nature Bounty vitamins, and then we have another one that saves 3 for any one Nature Bounty Stress Comfort gummy supplement. Moving on, we have another coupon, but this one is for hair care products, and this is from Simply Color Hair Color product. You're gonna be able to save $3. I have not really seen, I guess there was a deal, yeah, because it's that brand. Guys, I can't pronounce it, but yeah, I have seen that brand on special. So I'm gonna check. I have to look at the ad to see if it's gonna be on special this week too. We have Lint Excellence. I love these. I'm glad there's a coupon because this is rare for us to get a coupon for that. I usually like to get them in the holidays because you're able to use them to bake as well too. So I'm glad there's a coupon, and this one expires so early. Expires on June 28th. Then the next page we have Osteo Biflex, save 5 on any Osteo Biflex, and it tells you the quantities that you could use that coupon for. And then there's another one right underneath, and it's also for $5. Then right underneath that page, we have a coupon for Sundown. This is save 3. And then we have save 2 on any one Sundown product. So then I believe this is the last page for the RetailMeNot, and this is Pataday Eye Allergy Itch Relief Drops. This is save $5, and I like that this coupon expires a little bit later. This one expires on July 4th. So now we're gonna go ahead and go into the SmartSource. SmartSource, the first thing you do see in the front cover is Allegra. There's 3 different coupons there. There's a coupon there that expires in 1 week, and the value is pretty high. It's $10. And then we have other 2 coupons as well shown in the front cover. Then we move on inside. We start looking inside. We see Efferdin save $1 off 1, and it's 44 count and up. And then the following page we have Finish. There is 4 coupons here. I really like this product. When I've been couponing and when I find a deal, I normally like to stock up, and usually I don't need to buy it for years, at least for these type of products, and I'm running out. So I have not seen a deal. If you guys have seen a deal for this and you guys would like to share, let me know in the comment section, because I would like to take advantage of these coupons that are coming, and I like that they're expiring on July 5th, and I really need to start stocking up on this again. And these are different coupons for Finish. There's the Quantum, the automatic dishwasher detergent. They have the Rinse Aid. They have the cleanser or the cleaner, machine cleaner. And then they have the Maxim one or the Finish Deep Clean automatic dishwasher detergent. So then the next page we have is Sargento. I really love Sargento, anything Sargento, and I really like these too. So I'm glad that the coupon is save $1 off 1. And this one expires in August 2nd. So I like that that's going to be included there. Then we have some Russell Stover chocolate. There's 2 different coupons on the insert. This one I have been seeing printables for this. So if this is a deal you would like to get, go ahead and print them too, or check them in your app if there's a digital, and they're going to be coming as well on the insert, just in case you guys don't get it on your insert, or you sometimes prefer just to get printables and not buy the insert. Then this one, there is printables for it. I will check if they're still available, and then I'll provide them below this video. We got Refresh, 2 different coupons, $5 off any one, and it tells you the products you could get. And then we have $8 on any 2, and these are the packages of any Refresh products. That means any package you're able to save $8 off too, so I'm liking that. Then we have the green tea fat burner, save $1, and right underneath, this one is going to be on special this week, I believe, for CVS, and this one is saving you $4 when you buy 2 Ensure multi-packs. Selsun Blue, save $1 off 1. And then I believe this is the last page I'm excited for, because we've been seeing deals of back to back. You guys, I'm going to show you another deal that's coming this week, and most of them are being free and sometimes money makers. So I am loving these deals because, like I mentioned on my whole video, because I did purchase this on Sunday as well, I usually used to buy this in Sam's, and I used to pay, of course. You know, you thought you were saving so much money because you're buying in a bundle, like you're buying a lot. But getting them free or almost free is why I love couponing. So guys, don't miss out on that best video that's coming up. But you guys could check out my haul that I included the Chic racers, and I also included the Bulldog racers as well. So I'm glad we're getting coupons again. This one is going to save you $6 off too, which it was mentioned in the CVS ad. And then we have the middle coupon that is saving you $4, and those are women's racers. And then we have the men racer saving you $4 as well. And all these coupons, I believe they all expire on July 27. So I'm excited for those coupons, and I believe everybody should be getting these because they don't have, there's some coupons that is by region, but this one I think everybody might get it. So hopefully we all get it. And right now, right here, I'm gonna mention all of those, the list. You guys could go ahead and check it out if you would like to see it, the list, and you will see that in the RetailMeNot, most of the products I did mention are here. But there's some that, like soft scrub, I didn't see it in the region I just mentioned, which that region is from New Jersey, but it looks like other regions are going to be getting the soft scrub. And then we have SmartSource. If I look at the SmartSource list, it looks a lot longer than the insert itself. So it looks like this region is going to have a bigger book. Like here, it's going to be providing more of the Blue Buffalo. There's cereal there, like Cheerios, Egglands, the eggs is there. There is 2 coupons for Ensure, and more products like General Mills cereal, which I really appreciate and love that when they come in a coupon in the inserts. So as you see, guys, you could check out this list in case this is going to be the region. I'm not sure which one this is going to be the region for, but at least you have an idea what is expected for the inserts on this Sunday. And right here are the names of the name of the Instagram account where I got the photo inserts, and then the insert list as well. So guys, I hope you are having a wonderful beginning of week. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I am excited for some coupons that are coming because I'm already working in the ad, and it will really help bring down the total. That's the whole point of couponing, that you're able to save a lot. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.